and today I'm going to speak headlines. So today's headline is Want Medal in Kashmir, say Taliban. India among few nations. White Nazi surge, WHO. Actor Siddharth Shukla passes away due to cardiac arrest. LPG price up again. Panchkula school reopened for class 4th and 5th. Thank you and have a good day.
Good morning everyone, I am one from class 5th A. Today I am going to tell a thought on friendship. Something being with your best friend, it is the all therapy you need. Thank you.
I am Bhavish from class 5th A. So, I am going to tell you a few lines on friendship. There is nothing better than a friend, unless it is a friend with chocolates. True friends are always together in spirit. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I, Sanu Gupta from class 5th A. I am going to recite a poem on friendship. At the end of every tunnel, there is a light somewhere, a light of hope and reason, and a light to guide us to the safety from the dark. Two outstretched hands there. These hands hold out friendship, something everyone needs. For friendship brings a wealth, much more than anything money can buy. For without this wealth, many of us would just shrivel up and die. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे